Hey guys, today we are going to unbox the February Ipsy package. Look, I did this doing yard work today. Awesome. Awesome this, because I'm a jackwagon. Anyway, I have both the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. We're going to open them both together in one video. Yes, you got that right. One video. Ta-da! Woo! So we're finding all of this stuff out together. This is the February You Are Loved edition. FYI, Ipsy does send this to me for review. However, I don't make money off this or anything like that. It's just, you know, product, complimentary to share with you guys. All right, so after kind of sorting through this all, I think I figured out what is what, because they don't show you what is for the Ipsy Glam Bag and what's the Glam Bag Plus. So I kind of sorted it out. In the Glam Bag Plus, if you're not familiar, it's $25 a month. You do get to select one of the items and you get 5 full-size products. So we're going to do that first. This is the Glam Bag, though, just before we get into it. This is really cool. I love it. This is $12 a month and it has 5 sample-sized items. You do not get to pick. All right, so you have the cool drawstring bag for this. It's bigger, obviously, and it says self-love is the best love. The first item in this box is a Do It for the Graham, like graham cracker eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bakery. If you're not familiar with this brand, they make amazing, smell good, feel good, taste good. No, I'm just kidding. Products, but they're all like food themed. So let's take a look inside. There are the colors. We have what appears to be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shimmers of the 12 colors, so only 4 mattes, which is interesting. The color story here is also interesting. I wouldn't call this like a spring, late winter, early spring palette. I would call this a fall to winter palette, but still pretty. I'm sure that some of these shimmers are really cool. Like that actually looks like it's duochrome. I'm not swatching anything though, because I'm probably going to give this. I am overloaded on palettes. I literally don't use them enough, and I will be passing along all of my palettes to my kids and friends. So this is the Queen from Dragon Beauty Dragon Duo liquid wax pencil and dragon liner set. So I'm not going to open this up either. Actually I'm realizing this isn't Gated Dragon's brand. This is this brand, Queen. I'm dumb. There's the wax pencil and then the liquid at the top. We'll come back at the end of the video if I remember, of course, and see how smudge proof it is. I'm always on the hunt for new good liners and stuff. All right. Next up, we have the Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence. Tone, Soothe, and Revitalize. You could probably also use this as a setting spray. All right. Then we've got from Dime Beauty Volume Mascara. I've never heard of this brand, so I'm excited to try it out. Our mission is simple: to make high-end beauty and wellness products affordable to everyone. All right, finally. So this is the MOTD Makeup of the Day Blush Duo. I like that. It's kind of got a bullseye look to it. All right, so there they are swatched. They are not highly pigmented, which is exactly what you want. This also looks like something else. I'm not going to say it. I'm going to let you think it. I don't want a highly pigmented blush because then you go in real light and you end up looking like a freaking clown. But I will say this is hard unless you're going to mix the colors together. This would be hard to actually get product on the brush. I mean, can we all agree on that? That's a little weird. The packaging is really cute though. I'm not going to lie. I think it's cute. Pink Lace Blush Duo. All right, so that is everything inside my Ipsy Plus. So we have the MOTD Blush Duo, the Dr. Brandt Toner, the Dime Beauty Mascara, the Queen Liner Duo, and the Graham Palette. So let's get inside the Ipsy Glam Bag. Boom, 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 boom. Ah, look at all those cutie items. All right, so does this say self-love is the best love? Yes, it does. Inside the bag, any liner or anything like that? Oh yeah, a very cool, like brown, chocolatey brown liner with a gold zipper pull. All right, so first we have from Slay Miss Glam. This is a Valentine's themed brush. It has a heart ferrule, has 2 little, not handle, and then it has 2 little fake diamonds in the ferrule. It is 2-toned. I will pass this on to my daughters because they will like it much more than I. All right, then we have, this is the Clinique. This is obviously a sample size, Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. This is the first time I've seen this in an Ipsy in a while. Then we have a small item from Saturday Skin. This is their Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. I had trouble saying that. All right, from Grown Alchemist, we have this Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser. Now, I love their products, so I'm excited to try this out. Grown Alchemist has really good stuff. And then there is the final item. This is a really interesting mixture of skincare and makeup. This is from Pink Lips. It is a berry balm. This cherry balm, my bad. Is it a lip gloss or it looks like a lip gloss? Let's swatch it. Okay, I'm really glad we swatched this because this is definitely not a lip gloss. This is a liquid lipstick. I really love this color. It has just like a, I want to say a cooler, it's a cooler red. Does that make sense? And then look at that liquid liner. Let's see if it smudges. Hold on. Nope. It ain't going nowhere, but the lipstick wasn't dry yet, and I got that all over the place. So there you have it, Ipsy for February. Awesome month from them. Always good products. I'm going to go wash this stuff off my hands and wash this blood off my face. No, it's honestly, it's just a scratch. It's not anything anymore. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.